Welcome to Carz Trends, where innovation meets adrenaline. Today, we bring you an exclusive deep dive into the Bentley Barqaya, a car that isn't just a statement of performance, but a revolution in the heart of driving enthusiasts across the United States. Buckle up, this ride is going to be electrifying. The Bentley Barqaya isn't just an evolution, it's a reawakening. Rooted in a legendary bloodline, this SUV has been meticulously engineered to redefine the meaning of ultra-luxury off-road capability. With a range of powerful engines, from the refined V8 to the exhilarating W12 and the eco-conscious hybrid variant, the Barqaya provides a tailored performance experience for every kind of driver. It's not just about reaching the destination, it's about mastering the journey with elegance. The design of the Bentley Barqaya is unapologetically bold. Its signature matrix grille, LED matrix headlamps, and muscular profile create an imposing presence on the road. The aerodynamic lines and sculpted proportions elevate it beyond traditional SUV design, while the rear design integrates elliptical tail lamps and split exhaust pipes for a sporty yet regal finish. Every detail reflects Bentley's storied heritage and uncompromising craftsmanship. Step inside, and you're immersed in a world of sublime luxury. The cabin is an orchestra of the finest materials, from hand-stitched leather to meticulously finished veneers and knurled metal detailing. Seating configurations range from 4 to 7, with options like airline-style reclining rear seats with massage and ventilation. The ambient lighting, panoramic roof, and attention to tactile quality make the Barqaya's interior feel like a private jet on wheels. Performance-wise, the Bentley Barqaya is nothing short of majestic. The W12 variant generates 626 horsepower, launching the SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, astounding for a vehicle of this size. Meanwhile, the V8 delivers a perfectly balanced blend of performance and efficiency. The hybrid version enhances fuel economy with seamless electric power delivery, offering a silent and sustainable city driving experience. All Barqaya models feature adaptive air suspension, active all-wheel drive, and Bentley Dynamic Ride, the world's first electric active roll control system in an SUV. These systems ensure that no matter the terrain, the ride remains composed, smooth, and deeply satisfying. Whether tackling winding roads, snow-covered passes, or urban streets, the Barqaya maintains a level of poise few can match. But the Barqaya isn't just about comfort and power, it's about technology and control. The Advanced Drive Dynamics control system offers multiple off-road and sport driving modes. All-wheel steering enhances maneuverability at low speeds and stability at high speeds. Off-road prowess is bolstered by hill descent control, underbody protection, and real-time terrain data systems. The digital experience in the Barqaya is equally impressive. It features a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 10.9-inch display, and a premium Naim audio system. Rear passengers can access entertainment via a removable tablet interface, and the head-up display, night vision, and surround view cameras redefine visibility and safety. When it comes to hybrid tech, the Bentley Barqaya Hybrid combines a V6 gasoline engine with an electric motor to deliver up to 31 miles of pure electric range. It features regenerative braking and plug-in charging capabilities while maintaining Bentley's signature power delivery and refinement. It represents a thoughtful bridge between tradition and the future. Insurance and ownership costs for the Bentley Barqaya